गोयचो तरणाटो रोलर स्पीड स्केटर अद्वैत अमृत घाटगे आणि हेर खेळगड्यांनी राष्ट्रीय सर्तीत बळिश्ट कामगिरी करून राज्याक अभिमान हाडला। आंध्र प्रदेशातल्या काकीनाडा शारात जाल्ल्या 13व्या रँकिंग ओपन नॅशनल स्पीड स्केटिंग सर्तीत अद्वैतान 2 भांगरा आणि 1 रुपया पदकां मेळोवन उल्लेखनीय यश मेळयला। मजगती सरकारान ह्या यशा वांगडाच गोंयांत आधुनिक सुविधा, अर्थीक मजत आणि स्केटिंग खेळगड्यां खातीर वेगळी स्केटिंग रिंक बांदपाची मागणी परतून एक फावट खेळगड्यांनी केल्या।
I would like to thank my parents, coaches, and everybody who have supported me for this medal. I really thank my parents for putting me in this sport so that I can win so many medals like this. I would just like the government for a rink so that we can practice and looking forward for more medals.
बरी बातमी आमकां आनी आमकां सगळ्याक खुशेची खबर, कारण वास्को हांवूय पुलीस क्वॉर्टर्सांतलो, म्हजें बालपण पुलीस क्वॉर्टर्सान गेलां आनी म्हजो मित्र अमृत घाटगे, ताजो चलो अद्वैत घाटगे, तो आनी खूब परिश्रम घेतले, खूब ट्रेनिंग केलें आनी तांचे रोड स्केटिंग ओपन नॅशनल टुर्नामेंट हे आसलो ते तातूंत ताणें बरें परफॉर्म केल्या। 2 गोल्ड 1 सिल्वर ताणें नॅशनल लेवलाचेर हे केला। सो आमकां सगळ्याक ही आनंदाची गजाल। सो ताका हांव मुद्दम पर्सनली रिसीव करपाक आयला आनी 7 जाणांची टीम आशिल्ली, सगळे गोंयची आमचे 7 जाणांची टीम आशिल्ली, नॅशनलाक रिप्रेझेंट केल्ली, गोंयाक रिप्रेझेंट केल्ली। सो सगळ्यांनी बरें भरघोस यश हाडलां गोंया खातीर। सो सगळ्याक एक फावटी हांव ताळयो वाजयता आनी तांची उर्बा अशीच वाडोवपाक खातीर मुद्दाम आयलो रिसीव करपाक आनी आय एम व्हेरी हॅपी फॉर दॅट।
त्या टिमान खूप मेडल हाडल्या, 10 मेडल, 2 गोल्ड आणि 6 सिल्वर आणि 2 ब्रॉन्झ। बरेच आमच्या टिमान खूप मेहनत केली आसा।
कॉम्पिटिशन कशें आसलें तें?
टफ आशिल्लें, चडशे खूप स्टेटांतले येयल्ले भुरगे आनी खूप टफ आशिल्लें।
फ्युचर कशें पळयता तूं तुजें हितून?
आनी हार्ड वर्क करपाक आनी प्रॅक्टीस कन्सिस्टन्स रावपाक।
हांगा गोंयांत कितें फॅसिलिटी आहा तेसली?
ही आतां आमकां रिंकाची खूब हें आसा, जाय आमकां रिंक। आमकां आमी सकाळचे रोडा प्रॅक्टीस करता, आमचे कडेन रिंक ना, पूण आमकां रिंकाचेच मातशें हें जाता टफ, पूण आमकां रिंक अशें मेळटा अशें।
Silver and 1 bronze. म्हाका बरी खुशी दिसता because I got from my state Goa and it is the hard work of my mother, my coach Satish Shetty, and even my coach also from Telangana, so Vitala. Even I went for a camp in Belgaum which was of Joe Sebastian sir. So खूप म्हाका ट्रेनिंग मेळ्ळा आणि it's very great thing that I achieved here. I'm come to this level because of all of them and all of the parents, the skaters who have guided me throughout my journey in skating also.
प्राउड मुवमेंट वास्कोकारा खातीर आनी फूल गोंया भरान। म्हाका दिसता 7 आसलेले टोटल पार्टिसिपेट आनी आमकां 4 मेडल म्हटल्यार टोटल 7 मेडल्स मेळिल्ले आसा। भितर 2 गोल्ड आनी 2 गोल्ड आमचो वेदांत अद्वैत आमचो पुलीस क्वॉर्टर्साचो भुरगो। प्राउड फील जाता की 2 गोल्ड वास्को खातीर आनी गोंया खातीर जाले। तशी सिल्वर टोटल 7 मेडलां आमकां मेळिल्ली आसा आनी हांव मागतां असल्या भुरग्यांक खरेंच एप्रिशिएट आनी तांकां एक ताकद दिवपाची गरज आसा गोवा गव्हर्मेंटान जावं लोकल लिडरांनी। आनी खरेंच बरें दिसता की आमी तांकां आयज वेलकम करूंक येयल्लेलो, आमचो DYSP साहेबूय येयल्लो आसा आनी तेंचे पेरंट्स आनी टिचर्सांक हांव कॉंग्रेच्युलेट करता की तेंच्यांनी जी मेहनत घेतल्या। स्केटिंग हो म्हाका दिसता फर्स्ट टायम इन गोवा म्हटल्यार जाता की नॅशनल लेवलाचेर आमी गोल्ड मेडल हाडलेले आसा आनी हांव तशेंच आमच्या टिचर्सांक आनी तेंच्या पेरंट्सांकूय कॉंग्रेच्युलेट करता तेंच्या बरोबर। आनी प्राउड मुवमेंट पेरंट्सांक खातीर जंग तांकां मेळोंक ना, तेंच्यांनी फुडें मेहनत करपाची गरज आसा आनी 100% ज्या भशेन ते टिचर्स तांकां ट्रेन करतात आनी आमकां कॉन्फिडंट आहा नेक्स्ट टायम जे वयतले फूल 100% आमी मेडल्स हाडटले।
My name is Zach and I'm from Salvador. I would like to thank my parents for supporting me and giving me everything that I wanted throughout the days.
my parents for getting me to this level. With their support and dedication, I finally reached to this level. For the first time, I've been selected for semi-finals after getting selected from quarter-finals. So I feel very proud of myself. My name is Zoe and I won silver medal for road. And I want to thank my coaches, Mr. Satish and Saratara from Hyderabad, and my parents. And I also experienced a lot from my training and I've just started skating and Goa also wants a rink to train.
I'm one of the parent of my daughter got 2 medals, 1 silver and bronze for the state. It was a nice experience, and after all the efforts what we have taken for all these years, we have tried and accomplished, and we are very grateful to our coach, all the mentors, all the president of the club, president of the association. Only we like to urge the government to give some facilities for the sports so that we can take the sports a little bit more ahead, such as like we don't have a rink to practice, we need to go outstation for practice. So there is a lot of difficulties what we are facing, but still we are trying our level best to do something for the sport, do something for the state. Early in the morning we practice on the roads at 4 o'clock in the morning. Our coach take a lot of trouble to wake, so that the children get trained, so that they reach the national level and they do something for the state and for the club. So I only urge the government just to try to understand the difficulties of these kids, so that you can give them something, one place, so that they can practice day and night and get more medals for the state as well as the club. It's everything, whatever expense has to be done is gone by us. Up and down expenditure, staying, whether we have to pay for the rink, the charges per hour, 500 rupees, whatever we have to pay, whatever it is, we have to pay, and we have to do the practice. So nothing is given by the government. We do our own expenditure. This is our own expenditure. And after doing so much, we have reached here. The consistency of practice we have kept. Our coaches has given us the support, taken us outstation for practice, given practice here on the road early in the morning, 4 o'clock we do practice. So this is the result what we have got now. The only thing I ask the government to help us out to take the sports a little bit more ahead, so that they can support us with some whatever compensation can be done. So because there are some parents who cannot afford, but still they take the sports ahead because children have that capability of doing something. They have interest in the sports. So because of this, we are taking children much ahead.